Today I will use these manipulatives to show how replacement and no replacement affect probability. So we're doing probability with and without replacement. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little monsters. Out of these 10 monsters, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 green monsters. We have 1, 2, 3 red monsters. We have 1, 2 blue monsters. And we have 1 purple monster. Now, the probability as of right now of getting a green monster would be 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will write that right here. The probability of getting a red would be 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The probability of us getting a blue would be 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the probability of us getting a purple would be 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to see what would happen if we drew one out, what the probability would be if we put it back, and then what the probability would be if we did not put it back. So if we put it back, it would be with replacement. So if we threw these in a bag and took out one of the green ones and set it out to the side and then chose to put it back, the probability would still be 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Without replacement, which would be right here, would mean that if we took one of the little green ones out and set them to the side and then decided we wanted to draw another one, the probability would change, because then we would only have the chance of drawing 1, 2, 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, making our new probability 3 out of 9, or if we simplify it, 1/3. Now, if we put our green one back and we try and do this with the red ones, we would have, and we took this little red one out and put him to the side and decided to put him back in as replacement, we would have the 1, 2, 3 out of all 10. So it would remain 3 out of 10. But if we decided to take him out and try and get another red one and not put him back, we would only have the possibility of 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if we decided to do this with our blue one, we would take this one out to the side, we drew it out, and then we decided to put it back before we drew another one. Our probability would still remain 2 out of 10. 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if we decided to take him out and not put him back before drawing our next one, we would only have the probability of 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then, if we decided to take our little purple one out, the probability would, and put him back, then our probability would still remain 1 out of 10, because there's only one of them with 10. However, if we decided to take our little purple one out and not put him back, then our probability becomes 0 out of 10, or just 0 because there's no chance of us getting a purple one, or 0 out of 9. because there's still 9 left. And hopefully that gives a better understanding of how replacement affects probability.